नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज हम लोग क्लास 6 के जनरल साइंस में लेसन नंबर 7 अ जर्नी ऑफ लाइट का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल, लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए। दोस्तों, अदर सब्जेक्ट के भी क्वेश्चन आंसर के वीडियो बना करके अपलोड किया गया है, उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया गया है। आप लोग वहां पर जाकर के देख सकते हैं। तो आइए अब हम लोग चालू करते हैं लेसन नंबर 7 अ जर्नी ऑफ लाइट का एक्सरसाइज। ये है लेसन नंबर 7 अ जर्नी ऑफ लाइट, उसका एक्सरसाइज करते हैं। फर्स्ट, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। फर्स्ट, द डैश इज द मेजर नेचुरल सोर्स ऑफ लाइट फॉर द अर्थ। द आंसर इज सन। द सन इज द मेजर नेचुरल सोर्स ऑफ लाइट फॉर द अर्थ। Second, when light falls on opaque objects, the dash of light occurs. The answer is reflection. When light falls on opaque objects, the reflection of light occurs. Third, the functioning of a dash camera depend on the straight line propagation of light. The answer is pinhole. The functioning of a pinhole camera depends on the straight line propagation of light. Fourth, a beam of light coming through a window is visible due to dash. The answer is dust particles. A beam of light coming through a window is visible due to dust particles. Fifth, reflection of light from still water is of the dash type. The answer is regular. Reflection of light from still water is of the regular type. Now next question. Second, choose the correct option. First, if the angle of incidence is 30 degree, the angle of reflection is dash degree. Option A 0, option B 60, option C 30 and option D 90. The answer is option C 30. If the angle of incidence is 30 degree, then the angle of reflection is 30 degree. Second, a clear image is seen a plane mirror because option A, regular reflection of light occurs. Option B, the surface of the mirror is rough. Option C, the mirror is transparent. And option D, irregular reflection of light occurs from the mirror. The answer is A, regular reflection of the light occurs. A clear image is seen in a plane mirror because regular reflection of the light occurs. Now next, third, we can see the moon because option A, the moon is self-luminous. Option B, the moon is a satellite of the earth. Option C, sunlight is reflected from the surface of the moon. And option D, the moon is close to the earth. The answer is option C, sunlight is reflected from the surface of the moon. We can see the moon because sunlight is reflected from the surface of the moon. Fourth, when the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are equal during reflection of light. Option A always, option B sometimes, option C under specific conditions and option D never. The answer is option A always. Always the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are equal during reflection of light. Now next question. Question number 3. The moon is approximately 4 lakh kilometer away from the earth. The moon is visible from earth, but any sound produces there cannot be heard on earth. Why is this so? The answer is first, light can travel through a vacuum of space, so the reflected sunlight from the moon reaches our eyes on earth, making it visible. Second, unlike light, sound requires a material medium such as air, water, or solid to travel. Third, the space between the earth and the moon is a vacuum, which means it contains no air and other matter. Fourth, because there is no medium in space for sound to travel through, sound cannot be transmitted from the moon to the earth. Fifth, therefore, even though we can see the moon, we cannot hear any sound produced on it because there is no way for the sound to reach us. Now, next question. Question number 4. Identify whether the following statements are true or false. Rewrite the false statements after correcting them. First, the incident ray is called the normal. The answer is false. The line perpendicular to the surface at the point of incidence is called the normal. Second, we can see an object placed in front of us through a bent pipe. The answer is false. We can see the object kept in front of us through a straight pipe because light travels in a straight line. Now, next, third, objects are clearly visible to us in a dark room. The answer is false. Objects are not clearly visible in a dark room because there is no light and light is necessary to see objects. Fourth, the image obtained in a pinhole camera is inverted. The answer is true. Now, next question. Question number 5. Who will be able to see the candle flame? यहाँ पे ये दिया गया साहिल, रेखा, जॉन, रूबी, इनमें से किसको ये फ्लेम दिखेगा? तो यहाँ पे देखोगे ये रेखा को दिखेगा. द आंसर इज फर्स्ट. इन द पिक्चर द पाइप प्लेस्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैंडल is in a straight line with the line of sight of Rekha's eyes. Light always travel in a straight line, therefore the light from a candle flame can easily reach Rekha's eyes and she can see the candle flame clearly. Second, since the pipe placed in front of Sahil, John and Ruby's eyes are bent at different angles, the light from the candle flame cannot travel to their eyes in a straight line. Therefore, they cannot see the candle flame. Now, next question. Question number 6. Label the diagram. Reflecting surface, light source or flashlight, incidence ray, point of incidence, reflected ray, angle of incidence, angle of reflection, and normal. Now, next question. Question number 7. An image of the moon is visible on calm water. If there are ripples on the water, does the image remain the same? What is the difference and what is the reason for it? The answer is first, when the water is calm, the surface is smooth like a mirror. This allows the light to reflect in a very organized way, which creates a clear, sharp image of the moon. Second, when there are ripples, the surface of the water becomes rough and uneven. Third, because the surface is no longer smooth, the light rays bounce off in many different directions instead of staying organized. Fourth, this causes the reflected light to scatter, which makes the image of the moon look blurry or distorted rather than clear. Now, next question. Question number 8. Classify the following into two groups, self-luminous and non-luminous. An aeroplane visible in the sky, a book, the sun, gold, fire, the moon, the flame of an oil lamp, the oil lamp itself, the oil in the oil lamp. The answer is self-luminous first, the sun second, fire third, the flame of an oil lamp. Non-luminous first, aeroplane visible in the sky second, a book third, gold fourth, the moon fifth, the oil lamp sixth, the oil in the oil lamp. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारा यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 7 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ. फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिख करके बताइए और इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी एक्सरसाइज 7 मिल सके और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. नमस्कार दोस्तों.